Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create a bootable USB stick for Vicibox. What is Vicibox? Vicibox is an open-source contact center solution that includes predictive dialing, inbound call handling, and reporting features. It is widely used in call centers for managing customer interactions efficiently. With Vicibox, businesses can automate outbound calls, track agent performance, and optimize customer engagement. Now, let's get started with creating a bootable USB stick for Vicibox. First, we have to download the ISO file. It can be downloaded from their official website. Once you are on the website, look for the Vicibox server option and click on it. On the next page, click on Vicibox standard installation, and this will initiate the downloading process. The size of the ISO file is 2.1 GB. Since I have already downloaded the file, I will cancel this process. Here, you can see all the preloaded services along with the versions included in the current Vicibox release. These include OpenSUSE Leap v.15.5 and several other essential components. Now, we need to download an image writer. There are many image writing tools available on the internet, but for this video, I will use Balena Etcher. It is highly compatible with Linux-based operating systems and provides a simple and efficient way to create bootable USB drives. Once you are on the Balena Etcher website, click on the download button. From here, you need to select the operating system you will run this tool on. In my case, I am using Windows, so I will download the Windows.exe version. The downloading process has now started. The file size is 173 MB, so let's wait until the download is complete. The tool has now been downloaded. Double-click on the file to open it. Now that the tool is open, I will insert my USB drive into my PC. This is the USB drive I will be using. It has a capacity of 32 GB. Make sure that the USB drive you use has at least 4 GB of storage, as that is the minimum requirement for this process. Now, we need to select the ISO file we downloaded. Click on Flash from File, then Browse and select the Vicibox ISO file. Next, click on Select Target to choose the USB drive you will use for this process. As you can see, my USB stick is a Kingston 32 GB drive. After selecting the USB drive, click on Flash to start the process. This may take some time, so I will fast forward this section. Now, the process is completed, and the USB drive is ready to be used. You can use this bootable USB stick to install Vicibox on any system. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.